I used Misha's charge to get the regen globe. I'm a genius.
That's
The
actually
nice thing
crazy.
is our golem's right on their base.
Right, okay, so yeah, if we can win this golem, I mean, we'll be in a really good position.
We all need to push at this.
You know,
Yep.
trying to get the rest of the things because they're winning. We need to get more than 50.
Trying to.
Oh, 50-50, right.
Oh.
But we can
We
kill
just all
them.
need to go push.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, we
Signal
got
them
Diablo
to
out,
push.
so they don't have peel, really.
Yep.
They don't have any peel, except for hammer.
Ah.
Alright, I'm getting up, I'm mounting up.
Oh, thank you, Chiliums. I consider you a buddy too, my friend. Alright.
Alright. I'm coming. Oh, they're waiting.
Oh,
I got you. If you could heal it, then that would be nice.
ha! That didn't work out for him. That I'm finally.
Yeah, because Misha can
Suck
soon.
it!
See, look at this. Told you we had it.
Zeratul
Yeah,
dead.
that's game, baby. I'm dead. See, look at me. I died.
Despite your best efforts, Nova, we still won.
I'm getting it. Look at that. Rexart's kind of good. Misha's stun is just so.
Well done.
I feel like he doesn't do much. But he's full warrior. Try. Really good. What dailies do I have? I need to play specialist. And I
I
need to
don't
play
know my class either.
I need to play a specialist and assassino.
I think I'll just stay Diablo for right now because I'm actually doing pretty well.
I'm gonna pick.
Skype got really laggy for me for some reason.
Play Sylvanus. Yeah, my favorite specialist and yours.
It's funny, right after I added you, Ashlers, I got a friend request from a spam Skype profile. It's like, honey
I hate
baby
that.
101. I was like, ah!
Yeah. Those are so annoying.
Yeah. Some heroes of the heroes makes me want to play. Like, yeah, Chillians, my favorite ones to play. Oh, hold on, I'm not ready. Favorite ones to play.
Gina.
I like Diablo, and I played ETC a lot, but he's definitely one of those guys that I've heard and that people told me he takes a while to build up, or I just am horrible at playing out of them. But I also want to
ETC
play.
was a lot.
Go ahead.
ETC was a lot better in beta, but then they did a lot of nerfs to him. They changed him a lot.
At some point, I will be playing Rhaegar, but I think I'm gonna stick with Diablo for right now. At some point, I will get Rixar to play as well, but
I'm almost 10 on Gina. I need to keep playing her.
I'm like level 7 on ETC, but I think I'm just gonna... I'll grind him out to 10 at some point, but...
I have 1, 2, 3 characters at level 10.
Yeah. They've added a lot of characters from Diablo, actually, Jilliams. They added the monk, the barbarian.
I'm gonna get up real quick. I'll be right back.
I've never
Alright.
seen the monk. What is he? Is he a support?
I'm not sure what he is.
Alright, well, we're doing this. I'm gonna grab a drink real fast.
Alright, I'm gonna cancel. Yep, I'm gonna cancel, so... I'll show you the characters we have while we wait for Ashlers and everybody to get back. From Diablo... I want to try this guy. Lauric? Or Leoric? But there's... the monk? Tyrael? Vala, which is the demon hunter. God, I can't go by pictures. Ugh. As Modon. Yeah. Oh, Joanna the Crusader. Joanna. I feel like I'm missing another one. Oh, yeah. Nazebo, the Witch Doctor. The Butcher's in the game. Yeah, Ashlers was playing Vala the past couple games, and Vala is, I heard, is a lot of fun. What am I trying? Tyrael at some point, but I'm sticking with Mr. Diablo, who's tank. Yeah, I think. Yeah, Brett is the witch doctor right now, and then Ashlers is currently Jaina Proudmoore. Yeah. I'll use that one this time.
Alright.
Welcome back.
You in this?
No, I hit cancel so that we could wait for Ashlers to get back. Sorry. I was showing all the Diablo characters to Chiliums.
Oh, word.
Yeah. I forgot that they added the Crusader, but it was Joanna.
Mm-hmm.
And there's Sonya, the Barbarian. I was telling him I really want to try Leoric.
Alright, it's cool.
Yeah.
You can ruffle stomp.
Ooh, he's got this. His master skin looks like a boss from Dark Souls 2. I like. But anyway, I'll go back to Diablo.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Okay, I'm back.
Oh, welcome back.
Yep.
I was showing Chiliums all the Diablo characters. Leoric is from Diablo. I know I'm saying his real name wrong. I think it's been a while since I played 3. I'm actually playing that again. I'll probably be playing some tonight. Probably on my hardcore character or just dinking around. I don't know yet, but I think he's from Diablo 3? Yeah. I think all the characters in here are from Diablo 3. If I might be wrong, though. So... I forgot how sugary and overpowering Baja Blast can be.
Boohoo Doost.
Oh yeah, I saw
Zevo
that. I
is
don't
my-
think they sold that in cans. That was only Taco Bell.
It's a limited run thing they're doing. Like they only released it for the summer, but I think because it's doing so popular now, they're bringing it back. But it still says on the can for a limited time only. Yeah, Chilians. Jane is from WoW. She's the constant pissed off mage. Nothing against her. I mean, I think she's got reasons to be mad, but.
Yeah, she's always mad.
It's funny when I was watching the thing on Twitch for when they announced Legion. And they said Jaina's mad about something again, so I laughed my butt off a little bit. But...
I can't wait for BlizzCon.
Oh, you're going?
I go every year.
Oh, I'm jealous. You have fun. Make sure you take lots of pictures.
Except I don't want to talk about last year.
Uh-oh. Okay.
1 year I didn't make it. I was so mad. I ruined my streak.
Oh. Last year it was a lot of fun, though.
I'm gonna show you Spider-Man and Zevo.
Heroes.
They will pay with their blood.
Look at that matching skin. The matching mount.
That's great.
Double specialist would be a bit much. I'll go with Jaina.
The battle begins in 10
I'll stick with you
seconds.
guys for now, until I need to branch off.
If you're going to do that, I will go with Mito.
2, 1.
We need someone. Spider-Man, Nazeebo.
Oh, are you okay going mid? Going mid?
Yeah. Specialisto. Spider-Man, Nazeebo is pretty much you build all your talents around the spiders. The spiders do a lot of work for you. Oh, I know where you are. I can see you. You're not clever.
I like that it says I'm hidden, but
Yes, you're not clever. and Stitches can't hook.
Oh my
shit.
gosh, stop taking the tower!
Sorry!
Killed you. Lily killed you with the tower.
It shows how
Lily's
much.
like, yeah, I'm awesome.
It shows how much my hatred for Lily is.
Well, stupid matters.
Oh, I almost killed. What's his face?
Yeah, I deserve that. Wow, stupid.
Also, Nazebo can get ungodly tanky. If you get his level 1 ability, every minion kill gives him permanent mana and health. Also, I don't know where...
We're not gonna be able to kill them, so you can just stay back.
Yep. Oh, I gotta heal.
Yeah, you need to just stay back.
Uh-oh. Guess what?
What?
I died. It's okay. Stitches and Zeratul pretty brutal.
I can believe it.
It's okay. I'll just stick passive and push. I can push better than both of them.
I didn't even see the Zeratul.
Actually, with what's his name? Yeah, he's in Biz.
Yeah.
Yeah, Zeratul roams.
Kenny does that. Well, plus it's been a while since I've done this. Her power probably comes from her anger. That makes a lot of sense, Jilliams.
I see Zeratul. Well, yeah, one thing about this game is you can start to learn to get an eye for it, is no champion's ever 100% stealth.
Yeah, they're just cloaked. You can see them.
Yeah, if you look for the shimmer.
Okay, troops down here.
I'm coming.
I'm coming in.
Oh shit!
They went to me now. Okay. No, no, no. Don't you dare. God, Joanna. I'm totally not tanky here. Oh, she's gonna get it. Lily's got it. Yep, there we go.
Yeah,
She got it. Yep, yep. Don't you touch me, boy. Yep, he got me. Fucking biggity box. It's all good. You just gotta stay in lane and get some experience on them. Since Zeratul's roaming.
Yeah, I would
As
go
long as
after
we
the
can
Lily,
punish him for
but
roaming.
my track record going against Lily is not that good.
Lily, if she can get a level up on us, her ult becomes really game changing. Nope, you don't get me, boy.
Oh, damn it!
I said we can't kill them.
Well,
Stop trying.
Shit.
I'm sorry.
We have like
Please stop doing that. You're not gonna win.
I'm sorry. I'll stop.
Go top.
Thank you.
Go top for the tequilas.
Yeah, I'm going
Top.
now.
Yeah, cause I'm.
They're coming in the middle.
There's Zeratools. Everyone's. Oh god. Yeah, they all went top. They overwhelmed us. The least we can do is just not die. Yeah, we can't. Oh well then. Of course I say that.
I'm out of there.
Yeah,
Jesus Christ.
this is gonna get rough. If we can't get these tributes, we cannot level them. So they've got a level on us. I'm gonna pick up some siege camps.
Alright.
Fear is eternal. This world will burn.
Who shall gather this one?
Okay, heads